Is your external component, the MF-H.265 Encoder DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Media Foundation H.265 HEVC Encoder links. To begin the walkthrough for MF-H.265 Encoder, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the MF-H.265 Encoder, the Media Foundation H.265 HEVC Encoder. This library manages the localized hardware-accelerated encoding of high-efficiency video streams. It is essential for modern localized video capture, screen recording, and 4K media transcoding within the Windows ecosystem. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If MF-H.265 Encoder DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files, and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the MF-H.265 encoder file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like MF-H.265 Encoder DLL in your System32 folder. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to MF-H.265 encoder management. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored MF-H.265 encoder functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support